Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
I like to make this with a combination of oxtail and beef shank from Rumba Meats. The bone-in meat renders a very flavorful birria broth. You can also use beef cheek and oxtail. The cheek has a lot of meat. You can make your own combination, too. Just make sure you add a cut of meat with some bone in it.
Take our lead.
Best cut of beef for carne asada. The best cuts for the Mexican version of the dish we all know and love are either skirt steak or flank steak. Personally, I prefer skirt steak, pictured. It's more tender and flavorful than flank and can be cooked well done, for those who prefer well, without getting tough and chewy.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Carne asada. Carne asada is the thinly sliced, grilled beef served so often in tacos and burritos. You can also serve it straight up, with rice and beans on the side. Although almost any cut of beef can be butterflied into thin sheets for the carne asada, typically you make it with either flank steak or skirt steak.
Take our lead.
How to serve. Remove the meat and shred it. You can then serve it over the soup made from the sauce that the meat cooked in, or you can serve it with tortillas as tacos with cilantro, lime, onions, and salsa.
Take our lead.
Birria, Spanish. Birria, listen, is a Mexican dish from the state of Jalisco. The dish is a meat stew traditionally made from goat meat, but occasionally made from beef or mutton. The dish is often served at celebratory occasions, such as weddings and baptisms, and holidays, such as Christmas and Easter.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Calf's brains, or cervelle de veau, is a traditional delicacy in Europe and Morocco. The consumption of beef brains and spines is restricted in many locales because humans may contract bovine spongiform encephalopathy, commonly known as mad cow disease, by eating the nervous tissue of diseased animals.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.